At eyko, we come across lots of companies who invested in data visualization tools like ClickView, Tableau, Power BI in order to improve the presentation and the quality of information that they deliver to the business. And one of the sad things that we encounter is that companies who've made this decision are unable to deliver their financial statements, their income statement, their balance sheet, et cetera, inside the data visualization tool that they use in order to present their other reports and dashboards. And the primary reason for this is that these data visualizations tools don't give you the ability to format the cells and lay out the data exactly as you would in Excel. So people still have to resort to Excel in order to get the single underline, double underline, bolding, all the font changes that they would normally look to try and deliver as part of their financial report pack. What I'm going to show you now how it's possible with eyko's new intelligent grid for Power BI, the ability to be able to build your own pixel perfect reports inside your data visualization tool and have it exist alongside all the other reports and dashboards that you use in order to run and drive your business. So here in this example here within eyko, I'm a viewer user. I'm somebody who just wants to just go view reports that are built for me. If this was a customer environment, this would be personalized. So it would have your customer logo, your colors, et cetera, and whatever reports and dashboards would live in a folder structure here on the left-hand side for users in order to go and view their information. And you can see here on the screen, I've got an income statement, let's say, but I've also got it sort of coexisting inside, let's say, my customer analytics or whatever else like that. So let me show you the quality of the output that you can create with eyko's grid. So let me just expand this to full screen. And here you can say I've got a set of filters across the top. It's for an income statement. I've got my accounts down. I've got it broken off into quarters, et cetera. You'll notice that I've got my single underlines, double underlines where necessary. If I come across, let's say, percents in rows and percents in columns, they make no sense. So we blank all that out. So you have the ability to fully tailor it exactly as you would in Excel within eyko, the ability to be able to create these financial statements, your income statements, and your balance sheets. So in this example here, I'm looking at an income statement, but I can quickly toggle to a balance sheet and the data will change automatically and the formatting automatically changes even though the cell references have moved. So if I go back to my income statement, you also then have the ability within eyko to be able to go and, have a set of filters across the top where you want to see the income statement by country. You can quickly just select whatever country that's relevant, etc. The data changes automatically. And really the benefit of this approach is that what companies are looking to try and do is to pull all their information, that they use in order to run and drive their business into a single system. And if you have, let's say, certain parts of your business that have to produce reports in Excel, you've got the whole data management issue around where do I go in order to see all this information. With eyko's ability to be able to now deliver pixel perfect reporting inside your data visualization experience and sitting alongside all your other reports and dashboards in a folder structures that people can easily access, it just makes it really easy for people to go and find where is the latest set of information that they need in order to run and drive their business. Hopefully you found this worthwhile.